Welcome back to another video. Today we got another email from Harbor Freight. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for Material Booster deals. Alright, yeah, we're going to be seeing a lot of holiday specials. This is one of the emails that they have. So as we see here, we got, what is this, Red Tag Merry Christmas sale. Hundreds of Red Tag deals and store-wide. So pretty much we got some coupons here for some batteries and shop light. You guys could see it. Feel free to take a screenshot or a picture. All you need is the code. Show it to the cashier. I'll see if I can. Sorry guys, my phone's going off. I'll see if I can make it bigger for you guys. So that is the shop light for $19.99, and then we got the batteries. For $4.99. Like I said, all you need is a coupon. Great batteries here. I have a few of these myself. You got a nice 10-inch sliding compound miter saw for $99.99. It's a great beginner saw, great DIY saw. We got an 18-inch working platform step stool for $19.99. A heavy-duty 3-ton steel floor jack for $89.99. Ammo dry box for $3.99. You got a foldable sawhorse, $8.99. These are great, especially if you're going to be running a saw through that. You know, you're not really going off if you're basically running a blade through that. 3-ton heavy-duty steel jack stands, $18.99. This is definitely a great deal. Remember a while back I tried going on Craigslist and trying to find some jack stands. I could not find anything cheaper than $30, and they were 3-ton. And I could not find anything cheaper than like $25, $30. So this is definitely the cheapest out of new and used out there. $18.99 is definitely a great deal. Click type torque wrench, $9.99. Powder free nitrile gloves, pack of 100, $5.99. These are great gloves. If you're doing cleaning around the house, you're managing chemicals, you don't want to get it in your hands, acid, all kinds of stuff. 18 volts lithium coreless 3/8 drill driver kit, $27.99. 130 piece tool kit with a case, $20. This is like a little throwaway tool kit for the vehicle. You just leave it there for emergencies. You want to lend it out to somebody, you're not going to go on name brand tools. So great deals, $9.99 each. So you got a 4.5 angle grinder, 20-ounce HVOP gravity feed spray gun, a 16-inch tool bag, Mechanics Works Gloves Professional, ultra durable, what is this? Touch screen, cold weather. Oh yeah, these are the different types of gloves you can get. 588 lumens tactical flashlight, 310 lumens adjustable headlamp. All these items we've seen them before for $9.99. It's definitely a great item to get. 3-inch LED 1050 lumens spotlight, $19.99. These are great for the, if you're going to be putting them on the back of the trucks, you know, and you can put them on the back of the bumper, drill a hole and just screw it in there. Or you can put it, like if you have a tractor or ATV or something like that, you can put that in there. Definitely help you out there. 8-channel surveillance DVR with 4HD cameras, $19.99. This is not the lowest we've seen. We've seen it for $200, but $219 is not a bad deal. Definitely a great item there. And you can view it on your cell phone. 17 multitask ladder. This is comparable to the Little Giant, a little bit cheaper, $99.99. Definitely a great deal. We did just see some Black Friday deals at Home Depot, I believe, for lower than this. But currently, this is the lowest. 24 feet, 18 bulb socket string lights. I don't know if you guys know, but the Harbor Freight does have a color version of this. They are not $19.99, by the way, but they do change colors. So these are just plain white, either in black or in white. So $19.99. You got 40 by 72 moving blanket, $3.99. These are great. You know, just if you want to do some mechanic work, throw yourself under the vehicle. 4-in-1 portable power pack, $59.99. These are great cutoff tools or cutoff wheels. Definitely recommend it. $5.99. You got a 30-inch 5-drawer mechanics carts, $189. This definitely the lowest on that. We used to have this for free. Now it's $199. 25% off any TV wall mounts. This is definitely a great item to get. Any mounts from Harbor Freight. 3,500 watt super quiet, $729. believe we saw this at the parking lot sale for $6.99. This is not the lowest we've seen it, but it is a great generator for you guys. 12,000 pound truck SUV winch, $299.99. There is a newer version of this. It is really an improvement, all around improvement. So if you guys need a budget friendly, here's a $299.99 winch. You got a rapid pump 1.5 ton steel lightweight floor jack, $59.99. These are great wrenches. Definitely recommend these ratcheting for $19.99. Good and better. These are pretty good for $124.99. Both of them, I would definitely go for this one if they're the same price. You got Pro Air Impact wrenches, $119 each. You got your choice of 2-inch anvil or not. Chainsaw, $154.99. This is definitely a nice light. Definitely recommend it for you guys. I just got one of these on the parking lot sale. Not on the parking lot, on the Black Friday sale as an open box item. Definitely a nice saw. I will be doing a video on it, so let you guys know what I got, how I got it, and if it works. And definitely, I'm very impressed with this saw. Definitely an upgrade from this one, because I used to have a Chicago Electric, and it's definitely an upgrade. So, you got some nice jacks or miter saw stands here. Just remember this one, I believe this is only a 10-inch miter saw. This is a 12-inch, so you can use this one or this one for the 12-inch. You got a 15% off any Earthquake XT. These is definitely really nice tools. Definitely recommend it for you guys. HVOP handheld paint sprayer, $69.99. Weatherproof protective rifle case, $99.99. You got a 10 by 17 feet portable garage, $169.99. You got a 20 volt lithium ion cordless impact driver kit for $59.99. And you got an 18 by 22 or 18 by 12 hardwood movers dolly, $7.99. Let's see here. It's a great little cart here. It is smaller than the 5-drawer. 5-drawer is the bigger one, but for $149, not a bad deal. These are great generators. Definitely recommend this for you guys. This is a great gun. The only downside on this is it's corded, but it is a high torque gun, so this will definitely remove some high torque nails there. You got a table saw. This is definitely a better saw than this. I wouldn't spend my money on this. I would save my money for something like this. This is definitely, it is a compact, by the way. It is a job site, so it is a smaller one. It's not the bigger ones. Definitely recommend this for you guys. This was on sale for $18.99 at the Black Friday, but now they went up to $24.99. This is currently the price for that. This is definitely a great item. I got to check it out. I haven't tried it myself, but it does have 4.5 stars. I got to try it myself. I got a couple batteries. You got a rapid pump, 3-ton steel floor professional floor jacks, $109. This is the same floor jack as this one. The one on the top. This one. Just about, maybe a few upgrades here and there. Not really a whole lot. But it's $109 if you want to look at if we want to get the upgrades, you know, the rubber parts, the colors, and all that stuff. These are definitely nice. If you're going to be drilling a couple holes and you don't want to spend a lot of money, definitely worth it. They will not last long, though. You got a 3-gallon, 100 PSI oil free, $39.99. Definitely a great item there. $1,000 for the 72-inch toolbox. $59.99, not the lowest. We've seen it lower, but definitely a great item there. Got another LED light, floodlight. This is a flood. The other one was a spot. $19.99. Like I said, you can put an ATV and a bumper in your vehicle, the truck. This is a 100-watt solar panel kit. I do have this. Works real good. I do have it on my video, on my channel. So you can look at a 100-watt solar panel with Toolhead 147. This is a really nice hoses. Definitely recommend these hoses for you guys. This is a good item here. I do have it. Works real good. I cleared out a few drains already. I got a really old house, so I gotta have that handy. It's a great item here if you're DIY, you're taking out, doing tire changes, or what is it, the tire rotation, brake jobs, anything. This is definitely gonna make it easier on you. Let's see here. We got some nice socket set, an impact socket set for $19.99. If I'm going too fast, feel free to pause the video and take a screenshot of the coupon you guys want to take. It's a nice winch here for the ATV or for the UTV. It's something lighter. It's 2,500 pounds. This is definitely a great hammer kit. I do have one of these. Works really good. I do have a few videos on when I was doing my kitchen, remodeling my kitchen. I was doing a lot of demo work. This is back, guys. The other one with a lot of drawers, it's back. I believe it's $3.99. But there's coupons out there where you can get cheaper. Let's see here. This is a multi-function metal detector with armrest. Here's a coupon we never used to get. Definitely a great item, a great gift there. You got the 6 torpedo level with magnetic strip, 79 cents. We used to get that for free. You got 3-piece hex Shank driver set for $2.99. 65 lumen pocket flashlight, $4.99. Definitely a great item. On the Black Friday sale, we saw this for $400. Right now, it's $449. So if you need it, get it. It might go up in price. This is a new item from Harbor Freight. It is Bauer. Definitely nice. You have to press it to release it, so it's backwards. You leave it unpressed, and it stops. $7.99. This is definitely a great item. $8.99. I gotta get me one of these. I needed one for the inside of the house. Reciprocating saw, always been $19.99. Always been $19.99. And this is always been, well, it varies in price, but it's okay. $16.99. Anyways, that's it for today. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more toy reviews, to deals, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.